Mangala. My name is Sarvika Reddy. I am studying in 5th standard. Today I am saying about human body, the circulatory system. Circulatory system. The heart, blood and blood vessels form an organ system called the circulatory system. The heart is a muscular organ found slightly towards the left side in the chest. It has 4 chambers, two in the upper part, one to the right and one to the left, and 2 in the lower part. It pumps blood to all parts of the body. It also receives blood from all other organs of the body. Blood is a red color fluid that flows throughout blood vessels from the heart to all parts of our body and then back to the heart. Functions of blood. Blood carries nutrients absorbed from food, oxygen, carbon dioxide and water inside the body. It also transports the waste protected by the excretory system so that they can be removed from the body. Blood also controls the body temperature. Blood vessels, thin tube-like structure and called blood vessels, originate from the heart and run throughout our body. These blood vessels carry blood from the heart to other parts of the body. They also brings blood from the other body parts back to the heart. There are 3 types of blood vessels. Arteries. The blood vessels carry blood from the heart to other parts of the body. Veins. The blood vessels carry blood from the other parts of the body back to the heart. Capillaries. Arteries branch out into small and thinner blood vessels called capillaries. These are the smallest blood vessels. They help in absorbing nutrients and water and also in chain exchange of gases between the blood and the cells of the body. Capillaries reunite to form veins. Functions of the circulatory system: to carry nutrients absorbed from food to all parts of the body, to carry oxygen from the lungs to other parts of the body, to carry carbon dioxide from all cells of the body to the lungs, to carry waste products to the excretory organs so that they can be removed from the body. Process of circulation. The veins bring impure blood from different parts of the body. This blood is received by the right upper chamber of the heart. From there the body blood is passed on the right lower chamber. An artery take the blood from this chamber to the lungs from to the left upper chamber. From there the pure blood is passed on the left side of left lower chamber, upper chamber. Other artery carry pure blood from the left lower chamber to different parts of the body. Division zone. Heart organ that pumps blood. Veins carry blood to heart. Capillaries unit to form veins. Yoga to keep the heart healthy. Regular yoga helps to keep our body healthy and flexible and our mind calm. While doing yoga, we have to focus on our breath and improves our health. Some yoga asanas that keep our heart healthy and given below. Tadasan, mountain pose. The mountain pose helps to strengthen the heart and also makes the body more flexible. Vrikshasana. Tree pose. The tree pose helps to calm the mind and leads to a ready, steady and healthy functioning of the heart. Thank you.